Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a dashcam system designed for drivers who want maximum coverage, smart monitoring features, and premium recording quality all in one package. The 4K STARVIS to 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam N900. This isn't just a standard front and rear camera setup. It's a complete vehicle monitoring system with 4-channel recording, AI driver assistance, and advanced night vision technology for full driving protection. Right away, the biggest highlight is the 360-degree 4-channel coverage. Instead of recording only the front and rear, the N900 captures multiple angles around the vehicle simultaneously, helping monitor the road, cabin, sides, and rear depending on setup. For rideshare drivers, family vehicles, delivery drivers, or anyone wanting full security coverage, this setup provides significantly more protection compared to traditional dual dash cams. The front camera records an ultra-clear 4K resolution, delivering sharp video with excellent detail. Combined with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, this dashcam performs impressively well during nighttime driving. Many dash cameras struggle with dark roads, glare, and low light noise, but the STARVIS 2 technology improves brightness control, reduces graininess, and helps maintain readable license plates and clearer road visibility after sunset. Another powerful feature is the built-in rear and door night vision processing. These technologies help balance bright headlights and darker road areas to produce more usable footage during difficult lighting conditions. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, tunnels, or rainy weather, the recording quality remains stable and detailed. One feature that makes this dashcam stand out from competitors is the AI driver monitor system. This smart system is designed to help monitor driver attention and improve driving awareness. Depending on configuration, it can provide alerts related to driver behavior, distraction, or fatigue detection, adding an extra layer of safety for long drives and daily commuting. The included free 128GB memory card is also a huge bonus because you can start recording immediately without purchasing additional storage separately. Continuous loop recording keeps footage cycling automatically while protecting important recordings through emergency lock functions when sudden movement or impacts are detected. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi support makes transferring videos much faster than older wireless dashcams. Using the mobile app, you can quickly access recordings, save clips, review footage, and manage settings directly from your smartphone without removing the SD card. GPS functionality also records route and speed data, which can be valuable during insurance claims or accident investigations. Another important feature is the 24-hour parking mode. With the appropriate hardwire installation, the N900 can continue monitoring your vehicle while parked and automatically record impacts or suspicious activity around the car. This is especially useful for street parking, apartment complexes, or overnight vehicle protection. Overall, the N900 4K STARVIS 2 dashcam offers premium multi-channel coverage, strong low-light performance, smart AI monitoring, and reliable recording features in one advanced package. For drivers wanting complete vehicle security and intelligent driving assistance, this dashcam delivers a lot of value and functionality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon.